Hey there, folks. I've got some breaking news for you that's nothing short of shocking. It's about Zimbabwe, and trust me, this one's a roller coaster. So, picture this. The Zimbabwean military just released an official statement claiming that President Emmerson Mnangagwa has passed away. Yeah, you heard that right. They even went as far as saying, "May his soul rest in peace." But hold on, it gets even more bizarre. According to the military, they no longer recognize Mnangagwa as the legitimate president of Zimbabwe. This is coming from the same government that's been fiercely loyal to him for years. Remember Killer Zivu? He's that prominent ZANU-PF figure who said Mnangagwa would stay in power until death. Well, seems like things have taken a wild turn. Now, before you start jumping to conclusions, here's the kicker. This hasn't been confirmed. Yup, that's right. There are no independent verifications, no solid proof, nada. So, what's really going on here? This whole situation has sparked a lot of speculation and raised more questions than it answers. For one, why would the military make such a statement if they couldn't back it up? And what does this mean for Zimbabwe's already shaky political landscape? Let's rewind a bit. Just recently, a helicopter crash in Masvingo, Zimbabwe, added fuel to the fire of public distrust. The government said it was meant to transport Mnangagwa, but he wasn't on board. The crash, involving a Eurocopter with a notorious safety record, only added to the intrigue. People are wondering, could this incident be connected to the latest claims about Mnangagwa's death? Or is it just another piece of the puzzle in a larger, more complex game? And it doesn't stop there. Diplomatic tensions with neighboring Zambia have been escalating too. Alleged death threats against Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema, reportedly from within Zimbabwe's ruling party, have raised eyebrows. This all stemmed from Zambia's criticism of Zimbabwe's recent election. With all these tensions simmering, the region is on high alert. So, what's the takeaway here? It's clear that Zimbabwe is at a critical juncture. The military statement, while dramatic and shocking, remains unverified. The broader context, helicopter crashes, diplomatic rows, and internal party conflicts, paints a picture of a nation grappling with deep-seated issues. For now, all eyes are on Zimbabwe as we wait for more information to emerge. One thing's for sure though, these developments are bound to have far-reaching implications, not just for Zimbabwe, but for the entire region. Stay tuned, folks. I'll keep you updated as more details come in. Until then, take care and keep questioning everything. Catch you on the next one. Peace.